Klaar, bro?
Ja.
Safe? Safe?
Ja.
Doet er was weh?
Ja.
Sorry. Nisem vas videl tukaj. Nisem vas videl, presežem.
A se gor tudi ti gonš, a?
Ne, kaj, jaz sem kle prvič. Kaj je s tabo, model? Zakaj bi me... Model, ti pa ležiš tukaj na travi, kvat je?
A je kaj narobe s tem? Le kva delaš s travo, pizda, vse je razrit.
Ja, to... Model dežuje, vi ste pa kle, kva vam ni jasno? Model, a si normalen? Vas prefukam, materna. Kle pijete sred šume, materna. Kaj bom zagazil, model? Pejte v gostilno pit, model. Budale, ene. Kaj je? Daj to flašo z rok, kad ti škota, ne vidiš?
Prokleti pijanci zahojeni, stari. Look at them. Bro, look at this, man. This fucking on the grass. Let's just see. Those are some f***ing hillbillies, man. But okay, ja, dann fahren wir einfach da weiter, oder? Ja, machen wir versprochen. Ja, die... Alter. What's up? Something to eat? I'll get you something. Hello.
Don't be passing in front of my house speeding, okay? If you guys run over a cat, my cat, I'll kill you. You understand that?
Sorry, what was that?
If you kill one of my cats by you guys speeding on those son of a bitch, I'm gonna kill you. You
Okay.
understand that?
We won't kill the cat. We don't kill
Yeah, see, but you guys are speeding. You guys don't even know how fast.
No. We slow down. When we see cats and dogs, we slow down.
Yeah, we slow down.
100%. Yeah, seriously. We care about the community.
Okay, that's great. But you guys, if you're doing it all the time, I don't know what you guys do. What are you guys, racist?
I'm a professional dirt bike right here. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm like an intermediate. He's like professional because you can see the bit.
Okay.
I'm part of a group called Billy John's. I don't know if you know about it.
No.
But I apologize. We won't go through your block no more. We won't. We won't.
No, I'm not saying you guys don't go to my block.
Oh, okay,
I'm just saying don't speed.
Okay.
Because you never know. You got baby deer crossing that thing.
Oh yeah, we've seen baby deer
Yeah.
there. We don't like seeing dead animals.
You know
Trust me.
that, great, I love that. Thank you. But what I'm saying is, please, okay? Now
Yeah.
I'm asking you, please.
Nah, thank you for telling us though. 100%.
Do not speed because
Yeah, we
there's
won't.
cats crossing, there's skunks, there's animals.
Guns.
Animals are creatures. They're God's creatures. You know?
Oh, where do you like? What road do you live on?
Right there.
Oh,
where,
that
you
one?
guys where you guys pass all the time.
All right.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, you guys, and I've got some cats. They're not
Yeah.
my cats, but
Yeah.
they're feral cats.
Yeah, I
And I
understand.
love cats.
Yeah, me too. I love animals myself.
But you guys, I mean, you know how they run in front of you.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's dead animals every time on this
And
street.
you guys can't stop. You're not going to stop.
No,
I know
no.
you're not guys are not going to stop
Yeah.
for an animal. So, you know, if I could stop all the speeding cars that go there, I would. But I can't.
But you stopped us, so you trying.
Because I saw you guys.
did something. No, yeah.
No, what I'm saying is, you guys do what you want to do, but just please don't speed through there, okay?
No, okay. We
Okay?
got you. And we won't go around your neighborhood again. No, it's fine.
You guys
I
can
respect
go
it.
down the
You
neighborhood.
can
I
go,
don't
just
care.
go slow. No, because
It's
like,
not my road. It's not my road. I don't own it. I'm just saying,
be careful.
be careful.
Okay.
That's all I'm saying. I'm saying
yeah, I
be
understand.
careful.
100%.
You guys have the right to do whatever the heck you want to do. Have fun. That's
Yeah.
great. That's what it's
Just
all
be
about.
careful with it, right?
But just be careful with it.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank
for
you
telling
so
us.
much.
Guys, thank you. I appreciate it.
I apologize for wasting your gas.
Go slow there, 100%.
I appreciate you guys being nice and understanding. I
Yeah.
was just a little bit.
No, yeah.
No,
You have
going there
100% reason to be. Yeah.
You know. So they've already killed. Somebody already killed one of my cats.
Oh,
Thank
no,
you, thank you.
That's
Well,
horrible.
It probably wasn't you guys.
then I understand what's
But,
going on.
You know, and they're not my cats. Like I said, they're feral cats. They were born in the.
Yeah, they're
But
wild
still, I
cats.
feed them, and I love cats.
Uh-huh,
My
you
wife,
love
before
cats.
she died, loved cats also.
Okay.
So.
We won't do it then no more. Then
just
we'll
be
stop for the
careful. No,
day.
no, just what I'm saying is be careful, and
Okay.
you guys have fun.
Thank you
Okay.
so much
Thank
for being
you.
polite with us too.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good time.
Sorry
You
for
too.
bashing the light on you.
No problem.
Let's bounce. Let's go home, Martin. Let's do this. Look at that. Nigga, you're a pussy, nigga. Wait, which road did you go? Nigga, that's clout right there.
No, she's
bro.
that one. See, I'm sorry. I won't go to that road. Sorry.
Shut up,
Go inside,
nigga.
We'll get a little Gatorade.
Sieht er mich oder sieht er mich nicht? Ich hab nichts gesehen. Lol. Ah. Servus. Hallo, grüß dich. Ne? Ja, ich bin gerade einen anderen neu gefahren, aber den finde ich nicht mehr. Keine Ahnung, wo der hieß. Ja.
nicht der richtige, nicht
Ja.
aber wenn euch der richtige ist,
Ja, na dann, ich fahre eigentlich gerade da auf die Wege, ich bin halt, normal bin ich eigentlich nie da, das erste Mal.
ja, aber trotzdem.
Ja, passt, schönen Tag. Oh no!
Was soll der Scheiß?
Ha?
Was der Scheiß soll?
Da macht's doch nichts.
Doch, das macht schon was, weil der Jungpflanzer sind. Das ganze Jahr weiter dreht, was uns dreht, wegfressen, machen wir nicht.
Sorry.